Yeah. Hi, everybody. This is Majabin Yadiki. I just want to give a brief uh, hints at entry and exit points for intra and shorting. However, I just want to let you know that I'm not a SEBI registered person. The intention of my sessions is purely to spread awareness on stock market. Any stocks discussed should not be considered as recommendation for buy or sell. Explanations are only for concept illustration purposes. All the trades taken by individuals are at their risk. I'll not be responsible for any of your losses or profits. So please keep this in mind. And yes, we can go ahead with our session. Yeah. So can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, I can see.
Yes. Okay. So, if for any trade you want to start, first you need to go and check the scope. Means like this is scope, whatever I am discussing, will you will be slowly understanding based on your experience when you start monitoring these candles regularly. By the way, my explanations are all based on candles only because most of the time I will not be using any other indicators. My guide and this ones will only be candles, nothing else. Okay, and I will just use support and resistance lines. If you see that monthly candle, it is like mostly see after such a big move it has formed a big wick and this is a red candle. So even if something comes up, there is a tendency that it may go up. But if you want why I have selected this stock is because netweb has some quick moves. Like it's a volatile stock, means we can clearly understand that up move or the down move, and we can make money also decently. So I have selected this stock. Based on this, I have just drawn 2 3 lines. This is like as of now it may on monthly candle the stock may fall till 27 this candle 2750 5150. Okay, and from there it may pull back. That is as per the monthly candle. If you go to weekly candle, it is showing some resistance here where earlier it has shown in the past. So I have drawn this line as well. So it may turn from here, or means in monthly chart, if this candle forms bigger than this, then we can think that it may move like this. Otherwise, it may go till here. So if you see it in the weekly chart, we see the chances that it may go up if this week is not forming a very big red candle or covering this green candle. However, let us move to daily chart. Okay. If you see here, after a long consolidation, like it is in this range only for certain time. Earlier also there was some move and now it has moved up sharply. So people were expecting it was expected to move up. When if you might have observed, um, this candle when I have posted in the group as well about my understanding on this uh, see, if you see this candle is a hint of downtrend. After this much move, this is a big wick. So and all these three candles moved in this range only. If you see this, you're able to observe this in this week only. It was in this week only. All these 3 days, it struggled in this range only. It was in sideways for these 3 days. And this red candle has come, hinting that downtrend might start. Then, if you see this candle, it is smaller than this red and is a big wick is bigger than the body. So there is a chance, there are high chances that it may go down in near term. Near term means whatever the discussions which I am doing is only for short term. Okay. And these three bullets together, I will call it as reverse bullet, which is like, red, red, green in between, which is smaller than these two, and this big red candle. These three together, I will call it as reverse bullet, which is confirmation of downtrend as well. Okay, this is confirmation of downtrend, this big red candle. So, on this day, you can clearly expect nice down movement or a doji, which will be in dilemma. Once this forms, it means it is in downtrend. Clear till here? So,
Yes.
Yeah, and it can be
If
the bullet can be in same line also, right? Here, it is
correct.
slightly downwards, right?
Correct. That means it's more power, means its move is strong.
Okay,
Okay.
but it can be in the same, I mean, line also.
Yeah, that is not like any proper bullet. As long as there is nothing much difference. See, with naked eye, we can't make out that there is so much difference. But it is also, we will never see a proper bullet in real life. Maybe a very rare case. But this is actually the natural case, natural one.
Okay, okay, okay.
And when you see
if
this,
if if
yeah,
if there is a two red candles and in between two green candles and in between a red candle, then it is uptrend reverse uptrend bullet trend, right? Bullet candle, right?
that is not a reverse uptrend, it's an uptrend. That's all. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So, and also, we can define that bullet only when you see it. Okay. There may be sometimes bullet forming, but after that it may be forming down or up, but it may not be related to that bullet itself, because it all depends on the history, past. Okay. If you see the past here, there was a fine uptrend and the bullet is formed. So this seems to be a strong downtrend. Got it? It should always be associated with its history. Okay. Means if there is so much downtrend, and here if you might find a bullet, that doesn't, that may not make a good sense also. Okay. This bullet, if something is like this, the trend, this was moving it like this and suddenly you found this, then that may not be a proper reverse bullet. Okay. The candles, the movement was like this, then since it is going from like this uptrend, and here you saw, then it makes sense. You got it? So bullet at any point of time, it should make some sense, but we should like link it with a history. Got it? Is that clear?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us see how it moved from here. This date we will see, which is that date, fifth date on 15th candle. 15th, 5 minutes one. Okay. Fifth, right? Fifth Jan. Huh. Okay. 5th Jan, if you see this, see, after a proper consolidation and this one for a long time, this at the end of the day, if you see the time here, 2nd Jan 15:15, got it? Means this is the last candle of the day. This is the last candle of the day, correct? This has given a hint that there are chances of going up. And here, this bullish candle, what it has proved? Yes, it has a strong uptrend. If you see this, it has closed above that. Got it? Even the wick is there. These two things confirm that still there is a lot of uptrend. Got it? So if you make entry here, you can ride till here. Means till this red candle. If you make entry here, think that you, 1 minute. Is it recording, right? Hope. Yes. Because just I want to confirm, if you don't mind. Recording is in progress. Yeah. So if you see this, this is your exit point. Correct? So that means how much? 245 rupees it is there. 245 rupees. No, I think I have to move from down to up, right? Because it is moving from here to here. Yeah. Somewhere. Yeah, you are getting my point, right? Somehow it is not sticking to that point, but till this line, maybe 240 rupees. Okay. So you
Yeah,
have to enter here and exit there. So yeah, in case you are not able to find the exact point also, it may be around somewhere around 230 rupees per share. Got it? Yeah. So that is how you need to trade on 5th Jan. Okay. Even though you see this big red candle, you should not make any shorting here because stock is in full upward mode. Correct? Full uptrend. So even if you see this big red candle, don't try any shorting here because we don't know when it will form just a wick like this and start upward movement. We don't know. So no chances, especially when stock is in full uptrend and it is in bullish mode, like moved like almost 200, 300 rupees. We should not take chance with that stock for downtrend. Okay. That is why I will prefer only this trade. Got it? Yeah.
No, don't
yeah,
understand. मतलब आप ऐसा बोलना चाहते हैं कि तब वो शॉर्ट नहीं करते और बाय करने का ही ट्राई करते हैं, ऐसा ही बोलना चाहते हैं ना?
Correct, correct. See, we should not try
ओके
anything in this after this much bullish move, right? Obviously, it will not come back till here or here, correct? And also, we don't know. Till the stock only end up in the higher mode only, upper circuit only. We don't know. It may go and hit the upper circuit also. So we should not take any chance which when stock gives such a big movement. Okay, unless you are very clear and particular strategy, don't do that. Especially for the beginners like us, I don't prefer that.
ओके
Yeah. So, yeah. So that is trade of 5th Jan. Next day, if you see, I don't know what happened. Yeah. Next day, if you see, this one, this is 6th Jan, correct? 6th Jan, after this much move, and this is forming a cup pattern, correct? And here it closed. That means 60% of the cup, something like that, it is making sense. And that time, what you can do, you can refer to 6th Jan, 5 minutes cup. Okay. If you see here, you can clearly make out. See, this body is bigger and it is going up. So here it will be at the end of 9:30. So you can enter here, correct? This is clear. It is red with a big wick, but the body of this is big and this is plus sign, which is indicating the uptrend, and next solid good candle. So here or here, see for almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hour. Sorry, 20 minutes. 1 to each is 5 minutes, right? After 20 minutes also, it is hanging out here only. So here or here, you can make entry. Fine. Then even this is, no, if you see this, this is only something like red, but it is just a plus sign. It is like all again like a rocket, which is not making any sense. You can exit here in 5 minutes candle. If something like 15 minutes candle is not giving you a clear sense, you can go and see that 5 minutes candle. Got it? So in 5 minutes, you can, where is that? Clearly write it till here, which is, see, per day you are doing one stock only, or I will be doing only one stock only or two stocks only. So I will not, whichever is comfortable, 15 or 5, I will be shifting. Okay. So, but if you are very clear that if you want to do other things and which you are not clear of the stock, then you follow your own strategy, either stick to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but stick to only one. Okay. Don't
Yes.
shift in between.
Okay.
Yeah, don't shift in between. So my point here is you can ride from uh, here to there, which is again like 70 or 80 rupees ride. Got it?
So it will be like delivery position, right? Not intraday.
It's intraday, right? It's a 15 minutes candle, 5 minutes candle. These are all for intra.
No, I mean you purchased on previous day, right? Not the same day.
No, that is a different trade. I will tell you that one.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is only sixth day, right?
No,
Sixth.
I mean as soon as the candle opens, it's very difficult to catch the first candle, right? At
Correct.
9:50.
That is why don't catch it on first candle. Catch it on second candle. And if you have any doubt, you come to 5 minutes. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now here also see 84 rupees trade is there. Even if you are not able to catch it at the starting or ending, you will still have 70 rupees or something like that. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So because nobody can catch it at the beginning and nobody catch it at the end. Even that case, if you consider, it is 70 rupees. So just removing it. So here you exit. But again, this is also a good move. If you see this, 1 minute. And this is on 26th, right? 6th. So here if you see, here you exit. The beauty of this is whatever it shows as exit in 5 minutes, the same will be shown in 15 minutes also. That is the beauty of trading view or this chart formation. Okay. 3378, something like this it is showing, right? Even in the 5 minutes, it will show like that only. Oh, see, if you see this, 3394. Okay. Most of the time it will be showing there only, like it might have shown here and something. 33, what is that? 70, it showed 90. What is the amount it showed there? Okay, let us remember 3394, right? In 5 minutes, here what it is showing 3394, right? So here 33. Okay. Maybe a little difference is there. Yeah, but whatever you are following, that one only you follow. Like 15 minutes if you follow, here you will enter and here you will exit. Okay. Otherwise, in 5 minutes, you will be entering here and here you will be exiting. So stick to one. Then also it is a good ride. In 15 minutes, if you is very big, see that candle is very big means I prefer to close it at one or two candles only. If it is crosses this is a big, it's not a good for us to take that. See, I will exit here, this point. Even if I enter here somewhere, I will exit here because I will not wait for these candles to form because it will again be the same point. Can you see this? While going only up, I will exit here. That is my logic. Got it? So now what we understand it is going to be in sideways for some time. If you see this, all the time it is in sideways only and it is in this range only. Even if it crosses, it is not withstanding that. Got it? And that's how these candles are formed. See, daily candle, if it is forming, how it is forming? It is in a, see, this much only it is moving. It is inside sideways only. So that means there is, maybe if it is trying hard, it may move up very big or it may start slowly moving down. This is confirmation for that. Got it? Then now our trade is over till 6th, correct? Here. Then 7th, if you go on 15 minutes candle, see, this is a very big red wick. Can you see it here? It is defining the range. That means most of the time movement will be in this range only. And this base which we already drawn, right? See, after that, from that to this, if it moves, if you are experienced only, we can try. This is tricky, but if you try this, you can write only one candle. Don't go beyond this. Like whatever the points you have drawn early, right? You close it there. Means from here to here only. Not even even if the candle is forming very big, you cut it here, or at least you cut it here if you are if you are fixing on the target price. But don't go beyond, because this is a very big red green candle, and after such a down move, it may not sustain. That is the logic. Got it here, 7th. And after that, it may not give you any point of exit. You see, it's always in the side moves. So no need of trying this. After such a big move, here it is, range is fixed. Okay, it told you that it will be in this range only, and one big red candle, green candle, sorry. So it may not be, and wick is also big, next is also red. So there is, after this, don't even stay in this stock. You just make out and it's fine. We may not, but this is tricky. I wish you will not try this, because even I tried it with the difficulty. So I'm not I just want to build the confidence, so I tried. But this will, you can do it only after observing a lot. I don't know where I did. 1 minute. Oh, I went to yeah. So this candle, if you try, move it after this candle is over. That this, however, I am telling you, this is very tricky. I just tried, but you don't try this. This is tricky. Next, this is 7th day. Then 8th, if you see here, okay, this is one strong. This is in sideways. It dropped down. It is saying that there might be an uptrend, but it is not a confirmation. You still wait, because it has opened down. Correct? Gap down, it has opened. So, and also closed with a wick. So you just wait till you find a clear signal. This is a clear signal. Why I am calling this a clear signal? If you see this, can you see my screen clearly? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, I can see.
Yeah. So this is good, but it is not defining the range like previous ones. Previous ones were very big green candle or red candle with wick, but this is not like that. Comparatively, this is not any 15. We cannot imagine that this is a 15-minute candle of a stock like network. Okay, that is called nature of the stock. For a stock like network, this may not be defining the range. So this is slightly saying, yes, there may be upward movement, but we should be doubtful, because it has opened gap down and still it has not covered the previous candles, this one or this edge. Okay, this range. So you just wait for the clear thing. See here, if you see, there is a big wick here and solid body. So there are high chances that it will move up. Correct? So you can try it till here, and once if you see this, I removed that bars, means lines which I have drawn clearly. Okay, I will try to draw again. Yeah. So yeah. So in 15 minutes candle. Yeah. So just let me put it this way. 15 minutes candle. If you go, yeah. I will just tell you how to draw these lines later, but just for some understanding, I am just keeping according to my thing. Okay. Now, we have discussed this till 7th. See, here it is over, right? This is an uptrend. Okay. Can you see this now? We have discussed this till here, and see, you may exit at this point because once you are seeing that red candle, it should be moving up, moving down. And also, how we have to decide is this target. Okay, this should be the target which we should keep when we moving up. When we entered here, I should end it here, or once I move the, see, the beauty of these candles is like it will again end up there only. Okay, if you see this, see, if you have entered after this is this line, see, it is you entered here and you will travel till here, and if you think I will wait till one more red also, it will come back till here. Okay, cut that point, and even after that it will start, means retracement will be there. So you can start keeping the target here, or once you feel that there is solid up move and after this line it has moved, you can end it here also or here. But be careful that it will come back to that point. Anyway, got it? Is that clear? This is one entry it has given. Another point is here, though if you see this what you say, this below this point, you don't play shorting here because the entry candle is not so clear. See, this has not cleared the proper range, and also it has moved up nicely, and it may come down till where it will come down, we don't know. And if you see that eighth I should open another trading view, which will, where I can show you that daily chart. Okay, NetWeb daily chart, so that I will not disturb this setting. Yeah. See, here, if you see this, this is 8th Jan. If you see this 8th Jan, it is like within this range only. Okay, with this week range only. So it may be in sideways from past two trades. So this will also be in sideways. So as long as it is sideways, don't try the downtrend. That is my suggestion. Got it? Why I am asking you not to try this, because scope is not clear. Scope is within this balls only, and already by the time it comes here, it's already crossed, means it's already downtrend is over, and we may not find a good move like this or something like that. Okay, don't try shorting here. Even if you try to short, when these signals are forming, so much time it is there, right? It is a clear indication that it may just pump everything in one bullet, one candle. So you exit here somewhere. Even if you have entered here, you exit here somewhere. But this is not a good trade. So don't enter, because these things we need to consider charges also, right? Yeah. So that is about 8th trade. Now, 9th trade, if you see this big wick, correct? And next red candle. So this is not a clear indication that there may be a downtrend, but stock will be volatile. Why I am saying this? See, in the first minute only, it has told you that body is very small and next is red. Okay, it is once it may create an impression that it may move up, but don't believe, because this is a very big wick and it has not crossed that wick. Can you see this? So that, like that, candles will give you some hint. So don't do that. Even if you want to trade this, you cross check with 5 minutes and then do. So here also, see, I did it cross checking with 5 minutes candle. See, if 9th day, if you go for this 5-minute candle, you will find a good hints. See, 9th. This one is full green, means one shot only it has cleared. That may be the range, and next 5 minutes only it has come down. Even this is red, which is covered 3/4 of this candle. So there are less chances that it may move up. If you are following it up, you can enter here and you may exit here. Like only this one candle in 5 minutes chat. Got it? Here you enter and this here you exit. But don't think this is a small move. Why? Because it is in good move. See, 40 rupees move is there also. So in 5 minutes candle, you can see that this is a solid candle and this has covered 3/4 of it, and this is a wick, and this green is bigger than this. So you can make entry here and exit here, which is 40 rupees, right? Got it? So you have to decide whether you go with 15 minutes or 5 minutes. In 15 minutes, it was not giving that clear clue. So I cross-checked with this 5 minutes and then did. Is it clear why I did it on 5 minutes?
Yeah, to get the confirmation.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So yes, so here I will be stopping my share as this one. It is concluding 45 minutes. I just want to close it at a logical end. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I will connect again to short the another session where we will discuss the other 2 days trade. This will be the part 1. Is that clear? I will stop this video and we will connect.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.